happy. So today we are going to begin with the lesson number 15 of your class 7 English grammar, that is phrases and clauses. So let's begin with this lesson. Phrases and clauses are the building blocks of sentence. क्या होता है? Building blocks होते हैं sentence के. A phrase is a group of words that act as a part of speech. क्या होता है? Phrase एक group of words होता है जो किसकी तरह act करता है? Part of speech की तरह act करता है, but cannot stand alone as a sentence. But अकेला stand नहीं करता sentence में. Clause क्या होता है? A group of words that have a subject and a predicate. Clauses में क्या होता है? एक ऐसे group of words होता है जिनमें subject भी होता है और predicate भी होता है. The smallest part of the written English language is the letter A, B, C and so on. The group of letters form is जो smallest part होता है letters होते हैं A, B, C लिखा हुआ. जो group of words होते हैं वो क्या जैसे कि हो गए clown, excited, slowly and so on. Group of words form a phrase. जो group होता है words के वो क्या form करते हैं? phrase form करते हैं या फिर clause form करते हैं. अब phrase क्या होता है? A phrase is a group of words. Phrase होता है group of words that contain either no verb, जिसमें कोई verb नहीं होती, non-finite verb भी नहीं होती, नहीं जिसमें कोई verb नहीं होती और उसमें क्या होता है non-finite verb होती है and does not make complete sense और एक complete sense नहीं बनाता. Example, my father and mother to fly a kite. My father and mother what? कुछ है ही नहीं, verb भी नहीं है. To fly a kite what? The pair of say beautiful swans living in the lake beside the old castle. So in the above examples, we can see that whether the group of words in a long or short, none of them contains a finite verb. इसमें किसी में भी finite verb है ही नहीं. And none of them makes complete sentence. इनमें से कोई सा भी sentence पूरा एक complete sentence बना ही नहीं रहा. Such group of words are known as phrases. इन group of words को क्या कहते हैं? Phrase कहते हैं. Now kinds of phrase. There are different kinds of phrase based on the part of speech. These phrases contain the specific part of speech and other words. इनमें specific part of speech होती है, other words होते हैं that modify or qualify it. Like the entire phrase function as the particular part of speech. जो entire phrase होता है function करता है particular part of speech की तरह. A noun phrase function as a noun. एक noun phrase होता है noun की तरह function करता है. A prepositional phrase preposition की तरह. Noun phrase क्या होता है? Example is her sudden resignation took everyone by surprise. Head noun क्या है हमारा? Resignation. Hypertext transfer protocol is the expansion of HTTP. Head noun क्या है हमारा? Protocol. Now adjective phrase क्या होता है? My uncle is moderately intelligent and rather docile. Adjective क्या है? Intelligent और docile. The old house look as gloomy as disrupt. Gloomy और disrupt क्या है हमारा? Adjective है. Now prepositions phrase. Examples. He himself washed the car after the long journey. After journey क्या है आपका? Preposition है आपकी. After object क्या है आपका? Journey. He looked under the table and the chair. Preposition क्या है? Under. जगह आ गई आपकी, position आ गई और object क्या है आपकी? Table और chair. Adverb phrase. Examples. He lived in Dubai once upon a time. She has not come to school because of fever. Adverb phrase है. Verb phrase क्या होगी? Verb phrase are two kinds, namely finite or non-finite. Yes, दो kinds होते हैं, finite और non-finite. Finite verb, it can be the main verb in a sentence. Finite main verb होती है sentence जिसके बिना sentence incomplete होता है. I have never claimed that I know everything. It changes according to the tense. Tense के according change होता है. I had been thinking of her when she called. So it changes according to number and person of the sentence. Number of person of the sentence के according भी change होता है. They are allowing the children too much freedom. It changes according to voice. Active और passive voice के according भी change होता है. I have informed the police about the mishap. Active voice. The police have been informed about the mishap. ये क्या है? Passive voice है. Now non-finite verb phrase. Infinitive gerund phrase. First is infinitive phrase. It took all my willpower to keep my temper under cool. So in this example, to keep क्या है आपकी? Infinitive है. To plus base form of the verb है इसमें, which begins with phrase. वो किससे begin हो रही है? Phrase के साथ start हो रही है. My temper is the object of the infinitive. My temper क्या है? Object है किसका? Infinitive का. So under control क्या है? Prepositional phrase है कि under control. Together these three forms of infinitive phrase to keep my temper under control. So gerund phrase क्या होता है? He enjoys playing cricket in the evening. So playing क्या हो गया आपका? Gerund हो गया. Verb plus ing form आ गया. Functioning as a noun. क्रिकेट क्या है आपका ऑब्जेक्ट है जिरन का, और इवनिंग क्या है आपका मॉडिफाई कर रहा है जिरन को कि इन द इवनिंग. So together these three form the gerund phrase. क्या बना रहे हैं gerund phrase बना रहा है playing cricket in the evening. Now participle phrase क्या होता है present participle. Taking long strides he covered the distance in a short time. In this example taking is the present participle form of the verb. Taking क्या present participle form है verb की. Take and long strides is the object of the participle. Long take और long strides क्या object है participle का. Together these two form the participle phrase. दो एक साथ मिलकर क्या बना रहे हैं participle phrase बना रहे हैं. Taking long stride it modifies the subject of sentence. Modify कर रहा subject of the sentence he. Now past participle. Worried by the delay we decided to call her up. In this example worried क्या है आपका past participle form of the verb है worry and by the delay क्या modify कर रहा है participle को. Together these two make the participle phrase. एक साथ मिलकर क्या बना रहा है participle phrase बना रहा है worried by the delay. It modifies the subject of the sentence we. So perfect participle having reached the venue quite early she easily got 10 tickets. In this example having reached is the past perfect participle. Having reached क्या आपका perfect participle है. The venue is the object. Venue क्या आपका object हो गया. Object of the participle. Quite early क्या हो गया आपका participle हो गया. Modify कर रहा है participle को. Together these three form participle phrase having reached the venue quite early. It modifies the subject of the sentence. Now let's talk about clauses. Clauses क्या होते हैं. A clauses is a group of words that contain a subject and a predicate. ये वो group of words होते हैं जिनमें subject भी होता है, predicate भी होता है, with a finite verb and conveys complete sense. और एक complete sense convey करता है. It may be a part of sentence or it may be a sentence. एक part हो सकता है sentence का और एक sentence भी हो सकता है. So everyone in the party congratulated him on his dazzling victory. So there is one clause in above sentence. एक clause है a clause with a single, a clause which is a single complete sentence is called a independent or principal clause. Clause आपका single होता है या फिर complete sentence form करता है उसको independent या फिर principal clause कहते हैं. Now read the following example. The boy cannot go to play because he has to finish writing the assignment. There are two clauses in the above example. दो clauses हैं. Joined by subordinating conjunction. किससे joined है because से. So principal और independent clause. The boy cannot go to play. क्या principal और independent clause है. Dependent और subordinate clause क्या है because he has to finish writing the assignment. ये आपका dependent और subordinating clause है. Now here are kinds of subordinate clause. Depending upon the functions of subordinate clause, it can be the following type. Following types हो सकता है. First one is noun clause. Noun clause क्या होता है? Functions as a noun. ये noun की तरह function करता है and it can occupy the space of the subject. किसका space किसकी position occupy करता है? Subject की और the object की in the sentence में. So the inspector believed that the thief was an insider. Subject क्या हो गया? The inspector. Verb believes क्या हो गया आपकी verb. Object is that the object क्या आपका thief है. Now adjective clause. The adjective clause functions as an adjective. ये किसकी तरह function करता है adjective clause? Adjective की तरह function करता है by describing or qualifying a noun. Describe करके और qualify करके noun को. Example, I remember the letter that she wrote to me. मेरे को वो letter याद है जो उसने मेरे लिए लिखा था. So the subordinate clause in color describes the noun. जो subordinate clause है clause हमारा color में क्या describe कर रहा है noun जो हमारा letter है the letter and performs the function of an adjective. और किसकी function perform कर रहा है adjective की function perform करता है. Thus it is an adjective clause. इसलिए इसको क्या कहते हैं हम adjective clause कहते हैं. Now adverb clause क्या है? Like an adverb, the adverb clause answers the questions when. ये क्या आंसर करता है कि कब, when, where and why and how often, with what results, etc. in relation to the verb. किसके relation में? Verb के relation में. The thief exchanged the package because the policeman was around. So the subordinate clause in the colors tell us, ये जो हमारा color में क्या subordinating clause है, क्या बता रहा है? The packets could not be exchanged. कि हमारे packets जो थे exchange नहीं हो पाते. So ये क्या हमारा adverb clause है reason. So adverb clause of reason है हमारा. Now kinds of adverb clause, कितने kinds के adverb clauses होते हैं? Adverb clause on time, first one is adverb clause on time. It answers the question when, कि कब, in relation to the verb, किसके relation में? Verb के relation में. We managed to reach the assembly before the bell rang. The situation in Germany was terrible after World War II came to an end. Adverb clause of place, it answers the questions where in relation to the verb, कि कब. So they want to buy a house where there is a good school. ये उनको house खरीदना है कि कहाँ, जहाँ पे अच्छा school हो. The tired soldiers dumped their bags wherever they found place. So where and wherever क्या है? Adverb of place, adverb clause of place है. Now adverb clause of comparison. It is introduced by subordinate conjunction then by the relative adverb as. किससे हो रहा है subordinate conjunction then? और relative adverb as से इंट्रोड्यूस होता है. She is much older than she claimed to be. She is as selfish as she is intelligent. Then और as दोनों आ गया. Now adverb clause of result. It tells us the consequence or the result of action shown by the verb. क्या बताता है हमें? consequence और result action का show करता है जो verb हमारा like the child kept on hollowing so that her parents had to be called. So the plan had to be perfect so that there was no scope for error. So ये क्या result है? Consequences होते हैं हमारे. So adverb clause of reason क्या होता है? जो हमें reason देता है why. It answers the questions why in relation to the verb. Like since you have requested for refund, they may give you a check. Since she refused the money because she saw it as an attempt to be bribe her. So because she has saw ये क्या है? Reason दे दिया ना, ये adverb clause of reason है. Now adverb clause of manner कि how, किस तरीके से. It answers the questions how, in what way in relation to the verb. Now he spoke as if he had been giving speeches all his life. ये adverb clause of manner है. Try to wrap the parcel exactly as I am doing here. ये भी in what way मतलब किस तरीके से how, ये भी क्या आपका adverb clause of manner है. So that's all for this lesson. I hope you all like the explanation of this lesson. Thank you and have a great day.